Hi Kurt, gusto ko lang namin batiin ng mami mo, especially ako rin, personally ng happy birthday. Alam ko na surprise ka, pero we did this kasi gusto namin na special ka.
Hello anak, happy birthday. Ito special day for you na bigyan namin sa ni Daddy, and we're so grateful having you. Happy 21st birthday in advance.
And this is our way of thanksgiving to God. Happy birthday, and I know marami kang pangarap sa buhay mo, and pinag-pray ka lagi namin ng mami mo na lumago ka sa relationship mo sa Diyos at sa career na tatakin mo sa buhay. Again, mahal ka namin. Happy birthday.
Alam mo naman, malayo pa yung birthday mo pero walang visitor ngayon, marami. So, happy birthday. We really love you so much, and we're praying na talagang yung lahat ng dreams mo ma-fulfill of becoming a very good filmmaker in the future. Thank you, anak. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Kurt. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Kurt. I wish you all the luck. Follow your heart, whatever you want to do in your life. And God bless you always.
Sana maging makabuluhan sa'yo yung birthday mo na to. May you have many more birthdays to come at magpakabait ka lagi.
Ma-encourage nyo, and as well, matuwa siya kasi marami pala siyang pamilya. Hindi na ba may na pwede mag-master. Okay?
I'd like to welcome you all. Thank you for coming. You are so people talaga. So, very few lang talaga invite namin. So, let's enjoy and encourage her for good.
Surprise mo, I'm sure it. Dapat talaga pala, maraming salamat sa mga kahit hindi na lang dito na. Kasi
we're so happy for you. We wish you all the best. And magpapa-autograph na ako kasi one day I know you will be really, 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 really famous. Yun, happy birthday and enjoy!
Kurt, happy birthday, maestro. Nakakatuwa kasi yung gitarang binigay ko sa'yo ay nilagaan mo mabuti. Sa kanununuan pa natin yan, galing kay Kenneth. And you took care of it, took good care of it. I'm proud kasi you are living your dream to be to do whatever you love, and we're proud of that. So happy birthday and many more birthdays, films, gigs to come. Enjoy.
Hi Kurt, happy birthday. We're so grateful na na nakita namin kung paano ka lumaki. We're so proud as well as I wish ko siguro sa'yo is to, now that you are a grown man, mas gamitin ka pa ni God powerfully and to really use your talent as well. Enjoy mo lang and pursue your dreams and happy birthday. Yun.
Happy birthday, Kurt. Poging-pogi ka sa damit mo,
Yo, homie. Just wanna say happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Alam mo na yun. Yun.
Hi, Kurt. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Merry Christmas na.
Happy birthday, Kurt! I'm so proud of you, of what you are achieving right now. I'm happy that you're a part of the church and you're doing awesome. I love you, Kurt! Happy birthday!
Postbungin pa ngayon yung talent niya na alam mo yung maging fruitful pa siya hindi lang physically sa talent niya also spiritually kay God. Ayun, yun lang. Happy birthday, Kurt. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Huwag siya magbago. Hindi, syempre kung siya ngayon, tanggap namin and syempre thankful din ako sa samahan na meron kami ngayon. Kaya sana tumagal din and mag-grow din kami nang magkasama din. Ayan. Continue using your dito. It's given para at least at the same time ma-inspire mo yung people around you and at the same time ma-encourage mo rin yung parents mo na ma-give back mo rin kung ano man yung ginawa ng mga parents mo sa'yo or kung ano yung naging ikaw ngayon.
Ayun, sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo. We're just here to support you. I hope na mas dumami pa yung gigs mo. And, ayun, good luck sa studies and sa mga gusto mo pang i-achieve sa life.
Wish you all the best. Wala akong masabi. Hindi, ayun, andito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. Ayun, sana mas maging fruitful pa yung life mo. Good luck sa passion mo. Salamat sa una, pagiging senior ka sa JRU noon. Pero ayun, nakita ko din yung growth mo as a disciple and ayun, dito rin kami as younger pro mo din yan. Salamat sa mga share mo na-share mo sa akin din sa life mo guys. Sana ma-grow ka pa more and thank you best. Happy birthday.
Gusto namin kayo pasalamatan kasi kahit minsan lang tayo magkita pero naalala pa rin namin kayo kasi kayo yung mga chosen person na pinili namin para maging parang second parent ni Kurt, di ba? Kaya kayo ngayon hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin kayo. As an appreciation sa presence niyo. Alak din yan. Meron bang black scotch? Kurt, thank you sa pamasko mo. Maraming salamat. Nalay, gagantihan kita. Gcash na lang ha. Bilis talaga ng panahon, no? Kurt, happy birthday. Actually, birthday ni Kurt talaga, Pepsi. First birthday niya, wala kami kasi nasa tayo. Hindi ko sa kahit bata pa. Ngayon ba? Kasi sa young age niya, nakakapagpasa na bigas sa kanya. Yung hindi ko makakalimutan na yung reaction ng tatay niya. Si Kurt kumakain din ng patisali.
Galingan mo sa school. I know you want what you're doing right now. Last week na sabi ko, pwede ni mo. Kaya thankful kami na you're growing.
Nasubaybayan ka kita paano ka lumaki sa Children's Ministry. Gaano ka kabait na bata. Yung mga kasabay mo na bata, sa hotel, merong nanunuktok, nagdudura, lagi naka-face the wall. Pero ikaw hindi ka nagiging makapasaway. Lagi ka nga sensitive. And lumaki ka talaga na napaka-lovable na bata. So, ang wish ko talaga sa'yo, na mag-grow ka, hindi lang mag-grow spiritually, mag-grow ka pa, but of course, yung future mo talaga, magiging super talent, just like Nina and Dad. Yeah!